Hello and welcome to another episode of Kenyan Cuisine. Let's make this delicious sausage stew that I bet you love. Thank you so much for 800 subscribers and also my returning viewers. It really means a lot. Without wasting time, let's prepare it. I'm using 10 pieces of beef safari sausages, 2 small onions, 2 medium-sized blended tomatoes, and the spices listed above. I will start by frying the sausages. I will add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and shallow fry the sausages for around 6 to 8 minutes maximum. When shallow frying your sausages, use medium to low heat as you keep turning till you achieve a golden brown result as shown. Once the sausages are ready, don't excess oil, divide in half and set aside. Over a medium heat, I'll fry my onions till translucent. Then I will add tomato paste and the spices. Mix and let the spices cook for 20 seconds. Then I'll go in with blended tomatoes, salt, mix, cover, let the sauce simmer a little bit. Once the sauce has thickened, I will add the halfly sliced sausages, stir, cover, let my stew simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our sausage stew is ready. I garnish with some coriander, and this is the final result. Perfection. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, enjoy. Bye.